Hello, I'm State Representative Dennis Richardson. It's Memorial Day. As a Vietnam vet, on Memorial Day, I stop and remember my friends who I trained with and went through flight school with who never came back alive. You know, when I went to Vietnam, I had a young son, Scott. He was just a toddler. Now he has teenagers of his own. I was one of the lucky ones, and there were many who left their sons and daughters and never came back. You know, for them, the price of freedom wasn't free. Yet, men and women in our armed forces accept their responsibilities, do their duties, and serve their country. Since Oregon became a state, 5,800 Oregonians have died in combat. To honor them, we build memorials. You know, these memorials are all over the state, but one of them that I had the opportunity to help build is in Central Point. It's called the Oregon Fallen War Heroes Memorial. It has monuments for each of the branches of the service, and on each of these monuments are black granite plaques that have the names of all the casualties that have died since the Civil War. Now, one of these plaques, as you go into this memorial, has a verse that I had the honor to write, and it says this: "We honor for their valor the men and women whose names are engraved on these monuments. They made the ultimate sacrifice, and they must never be forgotten. We also honor the heroes who survived combat and returned home with wounded minds, bodies, and spirits, many with hidden wounds that are deep within their souls. These are the unsung heroes who, by the grace of God, lived to fight another day." Now, over the decades, Oregon has repeatedly deployed our National Guard to Iraq and Afghanistan, and the wounds for many of our veterans that have returned have never healed. The mental health needs of our veterans are great. Nationally, veteran suicide rates are 11 times higher than the combined casualty rates of the entire Afghanistan and Iraqi wars. In fact, more than 77,000 veterans have committed suicide, including veterans from Oregon. Now, Memorial Day is a day to remember, and wherever you live, I hope you'll take the time today to visit a cemetery or a war memorial, or maybe just spend a few quiet minutes in some part of your home and remember. Remember Oregon's fallen war heroes who gave their lives for the cause of freedom. Remember those who served and returned home with wounds hidden deep in their souls. Let us remember and never forget that we drink from wells that we didn't dig. Now, it's an honor to be an Oregon veteran and remember those who have paid the ultimate price for a free nation. Thank you for listening. I'm Dennis Richardson.